Hey, this is Sridhar from wpdevdesign.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a countdown timer in WordPress that is running an Oxygen plugin using the JavaScript that is there on W3 School's website. Okay, let us start by editing the main template, which is the catch-all template that is used by all the pages of the site. And I'm going to click on add and add a new section and drag it to the top at the top of all the other sections. And I'm going to set the background color to a dark background color and set the text color to a light color. And I'm gonna change the padding at the top and bottom to 10 pixels each. Okay, and I would like everything that is there in this section to be centered horizontally, so I'll go back to primary and click on the center. Okay, so inside this section I'm going to add a div, and inside this div I'm going to add a heading of h3 having the text Black Friday sale begins in. Okay, we'll just give a couple of spaces like that, and I'm gonna click on this button to duplicate it, and we'll select the parent div that has these two headings and click on this button, stack child elements horizontally so that they appear next to each other like that. Okay, I'm going to select the text in the second heading and just delete it because we're going to use JavaScript, and that is going to dynamically inject the countdown time in there. So if we take a look at this code, you can see that we have the JavaScript in between the script tags. So this is what we need to copy. And so the important thing that we need to do or note is the target date and time. So in this case, I would like to set the Black Friday, so which is on 23rd of November. So I'm going to change this to November 23rd of this year at midnight, so just when it starts. And also we need to change this particular demo in a couple of places. So this demo, if you observe, he has basically given a paragraph having this class of ID, and that is where the countdown timer is going to appear. So in our case, we need to basically grab the ID of this heading. So I click on there and copy that and change this demo to that particular ID that Oxygen automatically generates. Okay, so I'm going to copy this entire code and select the body element and add a code block. So that automatically adds it at the very end, which is what I personally prefer. So in PHP and HTML, by default, you can see it has this echo hello world. I'm going to just comment it out and go back to JavaScript and paste the code that we have in our clipboard and click on apply, and you can see it take effect. So I'm going to save this, come back and reload, and you can see it working. So let us see how this behaves responsively. I'm going to, okay, let me select the correct section. Okay, I'm going to select this particular 992 pixels and below. That is not looking good. So what we'll do is we'll select this div and click on this button to stack these things one below the other, and we'll also click on horizontal center alignment. Okay, let's go to 768 pixels breakpoint, and here we can basically reduce the size of this font to something like 24 until it fits, and 480 and below here also you can basically reduce to something like 22 and save it. Okay, so let us observe the responsiveness. As I reduce the width, it comes down, and the font size reduces, so everything fits in 2 lines. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Bye for now.